Today on Southern Gardening, we're visiting Dr. Rick Fischer's chapel garden in Brandon, Mississippi. It truly is a special place filled with beauty and inspiration. Greeting visitors at the entrance is a striking Crown of Thorns plant, thriving in a container. Its thorny stems and bright blooms make a bold first impression and set the stage for the colorful garden ahead. Throughout the garden, plantings of Encore Azaleas provide reliable color. Their repeat blooming habit ensures bursts of pinks, reds, and whites that brighten the beds in every season. Dr. Fischer has blended a variety of annuals and perennials, creating layers of texture and seasonal interest. This thoughtful mix ensures the chapel garden offers something new to see with each visit. Sage plants play an important role in the gardens, bringing vibrant flowers that attract pollinators and add movement and color throughout the beds. Russian sage especially stands out with its tall spires of airy lavender-blue blooms, adding both structure and softness. One of my favorite plants in the chapel garden is the Chenille plant. Its fuzzy bright red flower spikes create a playful contrast to the finer textures around it, almost like living tassels dancing in the breeze. Dr. Rick Fischer's chapel garden is a wonderful example of how thoughtful plant selection and design can create a place of peace, beauty, and color. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.